to infinity and beyond. Join us for a full POV ride on Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters at Disneyland. Declan.
They're worth more when they're wet.
Please face forward. Fasten your seat. Your shield will be lowered automatically.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the seat. And remember, they're worth more when they're wet.
Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission.
My secret weapon, forward! Got served on the run. Blast him with everything you got. I'll try to get started. I'm invincible! I should be moving your planet by now. Served on the run. Blast him with everything you got. You'll ruin everything. Buzz Lightyear!
Score 130,200.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank, and don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
Level 4, Space Scout. Did we beat Zurg? Let us know your high score. Subscribe for more Disney adventures with our family destination.